Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Okay, I'm going to make a short video answering a question you left me, regarding a video I made about bent valve sound on a 1900C engine, mounted on a Nissan Primastar. I'll leave you a link in case you haven't seen it. You've asked me what I think caused that valve to bend. Well, this is the bent valve. It's in the first cylinder, it's the exhaust valve. The problem that what has happened here is that the engine has had a problem with the head gasket, and water has entered it. There you can see how it is on the inside with the water marks. The problem is that when the water gets in there, it gets between the valve and the valve guide, affect its lubrication. The valve does not move as it should, and at a certain moment, the piston hits the valve, bends it, and that's where the problems begin. Okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.